Hey guys, today we're going to be fixing earnings at risk. You need to fix ads text file issues to avoid severe impact on your revenue. So in the manage your site section, we are going to go to the site URL and we're just going to click on it like this. And what that's going to do is it's going to give a bit of code down here. We're going to copy that, really simple. So the next thing we do is we go to a folder on our computer and we want to create new, and we want to create a text document. And this is going to be called Ads.txt. We're going to open this in our notepad and we are going to paste the code directly into it and make sure that is saved. Right, so that's step one. Step two is to go to your plugins on your WordPress site. You want File Manager. So like so. So once you've got File Manager installed on your computer, you're going to go all the way down to File Manager like this, and this will bring up the root directory for our website where we need everything to be installed. So all we do is we drag this from here all the way down, pew, into there, and we've got our ads.txt. Okay? This file can be copied into every single one of your sites very quickly. So it's not exactly a hard chore to do. After a couple of hours, this is after the entire night for me, as you see, my sites are authorized. I believe that the ads text found is on my new site. That's still getting ready for approval, so that's going to take a little bit of time, but I've still got to work on a lot of setup with that. Anyway, this is pretty simple, pretty easy to deal with, and hopefully it will help you. Catch you later. Bye!